Check it out. Did this project like 2 months ago. Got a bunch of spider plants in here hanging up top from the roof. Some monsteras, some snake plants. This super rare sanseveria, cylindraceus. Super nice little project for this unused corner of the home. You know, when you have a space like this with no soil, you can put pots and you know, still get plants in there. And then you can also pin stuff from the roof like this. So I don't think it's unusable space just because there's no soil in there. You can definitely use it. You just got to be a little creative. And then these windows here, it'll show, you know, these planters. You know, we wanted the client to feel like he was in a forest whenever he looks out of there, you know. And then these will creep on down. They're already starting to. We kind of want them to meet these plants down under. Might throw a third one in right there. We'll see what's up a little bit later. But you can see these monsteras, beautiful leaves, beautiful snake plant that's a little bit gold, and then the other one over there, it's a little dark green. And then over here you see the light green is all the new leaves. I like how the monstera leaves get like little holes in them. And then I love this cylindraceus right here. This one here, just fucking dope.